In a busy shop, a stock SUV begins a dramatic metamorphosis into a one-of-a-kind machine. The crew reshapes the suspension, refines weight, and crafts a chassis ready for gnarly trails and bright street nights. Engineers and enthusiasts wrestle with budget limits and clever fixes as old-school craft meets modern sensors. Interviews with car culture legends reveal mentors who welcome newcomers and turn every setback into a practical lesson. When the build roars at the reveal, the crowd cheers, proving bold creativity can unite a community.